Are you ready to level up your skills without spending a money? Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the best 100% free courses from top platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and more. Whether you're into design, programming, marketing, or personal development, we've got something for you. Every day, we dig up the latest free learning opportunities so you don't have to. So, if you're serious about learning without breaking the bank, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell, and let's get started. I'm going to share Python free course from Udemy. So if you're interested in programming, these courses will help you boost your skills without paying a single dollar. Course name: Python course from Zero to Hero. Let's see what you'll learn in this course. Dictionary creation and advanced value operations. Efficient methods for updating, merging, and iterating through dictionaries. Handling nested dictionaries for complex data structures. Advanced data structures. Explore dictionaries requirements before starting. Prerequisites: basic knowledge of Python, variables, loops, conditions. No prior advanced experience required. Course content overview. Full lifetime access. Learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Quizzes and assignments. Reinforce your learning with interactive challenges. Downloadable resources. Get access to code files, reference materials, and exercises. Hands-on projects. Apply what you learn through practical coding tasks. To get access to this course, simply click on the link labeled Enroll Now. You'll be taken directly to the checkout page. And, as you'll see, the cost is $0. Just complete the checkout process, and the course will be added to your Udemy account, ready for you to start learning. That's it for today's video. We hope you found a course that fits your goals and helps you grow for free. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more free course updates every day. And hey, share this with a friend who's also hungry to learn. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.